Rain on the window. A cup of tea cooling slowly beside the hands. Thoughts arrive. Softly. Without asking. Old voices. Tomorrow's shadow. A forgotten afternoon. They pass through the room like wind through thin curtains. Do not close the door. Even restless thoughts are part of the night. Even wandering minds belong to this breathing world. Silence is not the absence of thought. It is the space where thoughts may rest. The kettle hums quietly. Wood creaks in the dark. A distant car fades into rain. And still the body breathes. Still the heart remains here. Some thoughts carry sorrow. Some carry warmth. Let them sit beside you for a while. No need to erase them. No need to become empty. The moon is not disturbed by passing clouds. The pond does not resist fallen leaves. So tonight simply listen. To the rain. To the breath. To the small footsteps of the mind. Then slowly even the noise becomes part of the silence.